Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. I have a Seat Leon 1900 TDI with 105 horses. And I have had it in the workshop for many days and they cannot find it problem. There is no fault in the diagnostic machine, but the car many times does not start hot. Lately I also have a cold fault. It is not continuous, it does it sporadically. The camshaft sensor and the sensor have been changed of the crankshaft, but everything remains the same. Let's see. When you have this problem, you put it in or the workshop puts it in a diagnostic machine and you do not get the fault. Look at the engine temperature sensor, the sensor that measures the engine coolant temperature, because it has already happened to us. I also made a video about something similar a long time ago. I will leave the link there, and it turns out that it did not come out either, and when we do not get any failure and we see these symptoms, then we know we have QUE to look at that sensor. On some occasions also, is not usual, but on some occasions it can also be due to the fuel temperature sensor, the diesel temperature sensor. Sometimes it also gives the same symptoms and does not appear, okay, but it is not as common, for example, as the engine temperature sensor, not only in Volkswagen, in TDI, okay. This is where you can see it the most, but we have also found it in some Citroën, in Ford, that this could appear in any vehicle, that is, if the fault does not appear in the diagnosis machine. Look at these parts. I already said that in the table everything looks correct. It is as if the vehicle did not have diesel at the time of starting, or the immobilizer will not let the vehicle start. Okay, and it turns out that the fault comes from those parts and is not marked by the machine and in the frame because the temperature marks well and everything else. Okay, look around. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.